Hello friends, now we are going to see chain and anti-chain. So a totally ordered subset of partially ordered set is called as chain. That is a totally ordered subset. Totally ordered subset of a partially ordered set is called a chain. Is called a chain, right? And a pairwise a pairwise incomparable pairwise incomparable subset incomparable subset is called anti-chain. Is called anti-chain. So in other words, we can say that in a chain every two element in a chain every two elements are related, right? Every two elements are related, and in anti-chain no two elements no two elements are related, right? In short, we can say that chain is nothing but every two elements are related. In anti-chain is no two elements are related, right? Consider example let s is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and less than equal to is a partial order relation, that is s comma less than equal to, then its diagram its Hess diagram is like it is 2 4 6 8. So in that, chain is equal to, with reference to our definition, every two elements are related, means 2 is related to 4, 4 is related to 6, 6 is related to 8, means 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. This is chain, means every two pairs are related means they are connected, that is 2 is connected to 4, 4 is connected to 6, 6 is connected to 8, so they are related with each other. So this is chain. But in that, anti-chain is equal to, is there any anti-chain? No, because there is no any two elements which are related. No two elements are related, right? So there is no anti-chain, right? Now We can see again one more example, that is check second example, that is this one, that is 1 2 3 and 4, right? In that case, what is chain? In that case, chain is again, it is represented by set. So chain is related element, that is 1 2 2 2 4. So 1 2 4 is a chain. Again 1 3 4, 1 3 4 is the chain. Then what is anti-chain? That is non-related elements, that is 2 3. So there is no any relation between 2 and 3, right? 2 and 3, so there is no relation, or there is no connection between 2 3, so that's why they are not related. So 2 comma 3 is a anti-chain. See some more example. In that, the chain is, that is related element, or we can say that comparable element, A B C D. So chain is A comma B comma C comma D. Again A B E D, A B E D. Again F B C D, it is F B C D. Again chain is F B E D, that is F B E D, right? So this is chain. Then what about the anti-chain? Anti-chain is equal to non-comparable or non-related, that is A F, A comma F, and second one is C E, C comma E. So this is the anti-chain. So consider second example, this one. In that, chain is 2 6 12 24. It is 2 6 12 24. Again second one is 2 6 12 36. Again next one is 3 6 12 3 6 12 24. Again 3 6 12 36. This is the chain. And anti-chain is equal to 2 3, that is 2 comma 3, and second anti-chain is 24 36, right? So this is chain and anti-chain. Again there is a question that find maximal element and minimal element, right? So maximal element is nothing but the element which is at the highest level, the element which are at the highest level. So D is the maximal element, and minimal element is the element which are at the lowest level, that is A F, right? Because these two are at the same level, right? So these two are the minimal element. So maximal element and minimal element may be more than one, right? So here A and F, so these are the two element, right? Now in second maximal element is, so check the element which are at the highest level, that is 24 36. These are the maximal element. And minimal element, the element which is at the lowest level, that is here 2 comma 3, right? Then next is greatest element. Greatest element, right? So greatest element is the only one element, right? If there is only one element which is at the highest level or at the upper level, then it is greatest element, right? So D is only one element which is at the highest level or at the top level, so it is greatest element. And next one is least element. Least element, again the element which, again it is the single element which is at the lowest level, but in that case there is two element at lowest level, so there is no least element, right? Because least element is the only one element which is at the lowest level, but here A and F are the two element at the lowest level, so it is minimal element, but they are not least element. Now next one, see second diagram. In that greatest element is the single element. Again greatest element is the single element which is at the top level or which is at the highest level, but here 24 and 36 which are at the same level, so there is no greatest element. And again least element is the single element which is at the lowest level, but again here 2 and 3 are the two elements which are at the same level, so there is no least element. Now consider one more example. In that diagram it is a lattice, because every pair have least upper bound and greatest lower bound, so it is lattice. Again it is lattice. So from that lattice find out the chain. So chain is 1 comma 2 comma 3, sorry 1 comma 2 comma 4, 1 2 4, second one is 1 3 4, right? So from that anti-chain is 2 comma 3, right? That is non-related pair. Maximal element, the element which is at the upper level, so at the upper level there is only one element, that is 4. Minimal element, the element which is at the lower level, that is again 1. So greatest element, it is the single element which is at top level or greatest level, that is again only one element which is 4. Least element, again it is the at lowest level and it should be the single element, again it is 1. So in that example minimal element and least element is 1 and 4 is the maximal element as well as greatest element. Okay.